To perform touch diagnostics on Google Pixel 11, first we need to open Settings. There we go. Now here in Settings, you want to go to Display and Touch here in this place. And then you should be able to find the Touch Diagnostics option. So we want to go over here. Here we have 4 prompts, so you want to choose one of these options. We have Display is not responsive, very responsive to touch. Scrolling or swiping does not feel smooth. Frequent unintentional touches and other issues. So let's say I'm going to choose the first option. And then here we have the button to test the touch hardware. There we go. And now we just need to wait until the test is done. You don't have to even touch anything. We should be able to patiently wait until it is done. There we go. We are now recalibrating. And there we go. You might even find some additional suggestions that you might want to follow in case you still experience some touch issues on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.